Forgotten username recovery failed on Direct Investing fix. If you've forgotten your Direct Investing username, don't worry, most people hit this roadblock, but the solution is simpler than you think. Step 1. Go to the Direct Investing login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address associated with your account. You should receive an email containing your username or a secure link to recover it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather verification details like your full name, account number, and recent transactions. Direct Investing support can manually verify your identity and provide your username securely. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Carefully follow any instructions in the recovery email. Avoid making multiple recovery requests at the same time, as this can cause delays or lockouts. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Direct Investing customer support directly. Provide your verification details and explain that previous recovery attempts were unsuccessful. Their team will guide you step by step to regain access. Once you recover your username, enhance security by enabling two-factor authentication and storing your credentials in a secure password manager. This prevents future login issues and protects your investments. By following these steps, you can quickly regain access to Direct Investing and continue managing your portfolio without interruption. Remember, forgetting your username is a temporary setback, not a permanent problem.